Welcome to MediCore Paramedical Learning Center, one of India's fastest-growing educational institutes dedicated to shaping the future of healthcare professionals. At MediCore, we believe in providing quality education that is accessible to all. Our programs include physiotherapy, pharmacy, DMLT, dietitian, nursing, and medical laboratory technology. Our students benefit from hands-on training, expert faculty, and partnerships with top universities. We offer online lectures, career counseling, and internships to ensure our students excel in their careers. Whether you're a student with minimal marks or looking to advance your career, MediCore provides opportunities for everyone. Our admissions are open to all, and we support our students every step of the way. Join a community that is dedicated to excellence in healthcare education. At MediCore, we prepare you to become a trusted healthcare professional. Take the first step towards a rewarding career. Apply now and become a part of the MediCore family. Visit us at MediCore Paramedical Learning Center. Apply today, call us at +91 9326 558 8810, or visit our branch in Mumbai. Your future in healthcare starts here.